Hi there, students. Hymn, a countable noun. So it sounds like him, her. So the N is silent. Okay, a hymn is a religious song. The hymns are the songs that Christians sing when they go to church. Eternal Father, strong to save. No, I was never a great hymn singer. And then you could have the book of hymns, the hymnal. I think one of the reasons I included this word, a hymn is only a religious song in this context. I know many languages use a word similar to this to talk about the national anthem. And the national anthem, God save our gracious King, long live. That's the national anthem, and I wouldn't call it a hymn. Okay, so it's that would be an anthem. Then you could say that a film or a book or a story or a speech is a hymn to something. Yeah, it means that it praises this thing, it celebrates that thing. So I guess the film Braveheart is a hymn to the bravery of the Scots rebelling against the English. Or Spartacus. This story is a hymn to the to an indomitable desire for freedom. Yeah, this poem is considered a hymn to rebellion. Yeah, so it's a hymn. It's something that's praising, that it's celebrating something. Okay, and you can use it like that as well. I guess you could even use it as a verb. The newspapers were hymning his praise. I think to hymn like that's probably quite unusual. Okay, so a hymn, yeah, a religious song, a religious chant, yeah, so, a psalm, a canticle, a paean. Yeah, so yeah, this the church service included many popular hymns. Yeah, at rugby matches they often sing the hymn Jerusalem, but that's a hymn. It's a religious song, and that I think that's the idea of this word hymn. So formality. Well, as a religious song, 5 in formality, use anywhere. This is a hymn to freedom. Yeah, I think 5 in formality again, use it anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French, which comes from Latin, hymnus, which comes itself from ancient Greek, humnos. And a humnos is a song or a hymn or an ode, generally in praise of the gods. So this word has been a song to the gods for many years. Itself, it comes from a Proto-Indo-European word, Shem, which is linked to, for example, the Sanskrit word saman or sumana, yeah, meaning a hymn or a song. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. I guess this video is a hymn to the word hymn.